Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc0000185 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to rebuild BCD. Now I have three commands and I will share them in the description section of the video. Simply copy these commands, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste these commands and hit enter. The last one is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar, open recovery, click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, select next, finish and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.